That's the deal.
I keep seeing crap in my mirror. Which one? My stomach hurts so bad I could die. I'm moving into a neighborhood I can't stand. The sky is changing color. There's a metallic taste in my mouth. It's been a great winter. Everything went south. They cut me off at the clinic. I had to find another doctor. I found him in the yellow pages. Maybe I'm bipolar. It's been a great fucking winter. Everything went south.